Today we are having our district educator job fair from 9 to 12 here at Austin Middle School. We're super excited. Every campus is represented. This right here is all of our elementary campuses, and in the other gym we have our secondary campuses. So we are expecting hundreds of people to come out. They have pre-registered and they're looking for jobs, and we're looking for the best of the best as far as teachers go. So we're here to welcome them and tell them how awesome we are and how we lead the region in our pay and our benefits, and so we want them to join our family. So this is a great opportunity to greet and meet, right? In particular, for the past 2 years we've been doing things virtually, so it really is just an opportunity for our staff to get out and meet candidates. You know, that face-to-face interaction does a lot, and it's an opportunity to just make those contacts. And as we continue to go through the summer and we're receiving resignations, you know, we have that talent reserve pool to go back and say, okay, you know, this is a really strong candidate, let's go ahead and offer them a job. Our district is the only one in the region that has our very own in-house alternative certification program.
ACT-RGV is an alternative certification program for teachers, and we are looking for anyone with a degree that is wanting to pursue teaching. And with our 4-step process to certification, we train teachers, we prepare them to take exams, we prepare them to go into the classrooms and become the teacher of record and get paid at the same time.
They should join us because we are inspiring our students for multi-generational prosperity. We want them to be successful, and their success is our success. PSJ ISD is also known for recruiting folks to come back home. So we have a lot of alum that go get their degree and then come back and they want to give back to the community that they grew up in.